Today, I'll be showing you how I make my delicious Cameroonian style assorted pepper soup. I love this recipe because it's simple, flavorful, and perfect for those days when you just want something warm and comforting. For my assorted meat, I'm using different types of meat. You can use whatever combination you enjoy or have available. The beauty of this recipe is that every type of meat brings its own unique flavor and texture to the pot. Here are the ingredients we will need for this recipe. For the meat, we have beef tripe and liver. And for the spices, we have njangsa, hot pepper, garlic, ginger, African nutmeg, white pepper, negro pepper, bush pepper, rosemary, crunchy onion, Eden fruit, also known as cachocote, have a medium size of onion and some green spices, seasoning cubes and salt. To begin the cooking process, the first thing I'm going to do is make sure my meat is properly cleaned and ready to cook. For this, I'm going to rinse the tripe first. Then I'm going to come in with more water and salt to wash the tripe properly. I'm going to be removing all the fatty tissues found on the tripe. This might take some time, but it's worth it. You want to eat clean meat, so take your time to remove all these fatty tissues from the tripe. Look at what I got out of the tripe. Look at that. After removing the fatty tissue, I'm going to pour more water and rinse the tripe. To the liver, I'll do the same thing. Add salt to the water and wash very well. I'll be washing it 4 times to make sure that everything is clean. I'll move on to my stove and roast the pepper soup spices in a pan. This process helps to release the aroma and the flavor of the spices even more. I'm adding the beef tripe into the pot first because it's tougher than the liver. Now I'm going in with my seasoning. I'm adding some sliced onion, some salt, seasoning cube, and some garlic and ginger paste. I will give everything a good mix so that all the meat is properly coated with the seasoning. Then I'll allow the meat to cook in its own juice for a few minutes. Once the meat has started cooking, I'll add in more water to cook the meat. Now I'm going to cover the pot and allow everything to cook nicely. Once the tripe is almost ready, I'm going to add in the liver and more water so that it cooks well. At this stage, the tripe and liver are ready. So I'm going to be adding in my blended green spices, that's celery and basil. All the pepper soup spices will come in here. That's a mix of all the spices I indicated earlier. This is njangsa. I'll add my njangsa now. For this pepper soup, the spices are really what bring everything together. That beautiful aroma, the warmth, and that deep pepper soup flavor. This is where the magic lies. I'll add in rosemary, pepper, and adjust my seasoning, more salt and seasoning cube. I'm allowing everything to simmer together. You really want to give the spices enough time to infuse into the soup. That way, every spoonful is packed with flavor. At this point, the kitchen smells absolutely incredible. The combination of the assorted meat and spices is just something else. I'll add in some vegetable oil, some parsley and spring onion to add color to the soup. Then I'll let the soup simmer for a few more minutes until everything is perfectly combined. And just look at that. Our delicious Cameroonian assorted pepper soup is ready. Look at that beautiful flavorful broth, and the assorted meat looks absolutely delicious. This pepper soup is best enjoyed hot, especially when you want something spicy, comforting and full of flavor. You can enjoy it on its own or serve it with your favorite side dish, depending on how you like it. Now, let me have a taste. This is so good. The meat is tender, the soup is rich, and the spices have blended beautifully. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and let me know what type of meat you love adding to your pepper soup. And if you haven't subscribed to Nagai's Haven yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more delicious recipes from my kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.